Doe, a deer, a female deer. Ray, a prick with whom I work.
PSST, PSSSSST, PSSSSSSSSSSSSSSST.
Me. A name I call myself. Fa. A long, long way to jerk.
PSST, pet. We are on, dude. Cameras are rolling.
What the oy vey? Huh? Sorry about that. Good evening, and welcome to your flop report for Saturday, the 24th of September, in the year of our good Lord 2011.
Good evening, I'm Marie Poutine Scissorhound.
And I'm Petulance.
And tonight, we shall dispense with the usual small talk, and instead get right to the action.
That's right, Marie Poutine. Pitter patter, let's get it, her.
Get at whom, pet?
It's just a figure of speech.
Are you maligning my figure, pet?
No, you have a fine figure. Not that there is anything wrong with that.
Now, hey. That is bordering on sexual misconduct, harassment and all-round creepiness.
Well, I resemble that insemination. You're nothing more than a work colleague to me. All that other stuff happens behind closed doors. Oops.
Anyway, we're digesting again. What happened last weekend, pet?
Well, Marie Poutine, it was a real barn burner, if you catch my drift.
How so, Mr. Petulant?
Well, to make a long story longer, Lucky Bobby Schmidt won the first game, and Rusty Buckets came third. Lucky Cockroach Jonesy won the second game, whilst Der Kommissar, peace be upon him, captured silver both times. Yours truly got the bronze and best hand in the second game.
Wow, pet. A barn was truly burned, wasn't one?
Indeed-y-do, Marie Poutine. And not only that, there was a bit of a scuffle as well.
OMG. A scuffle? I haven't heard of a flop scuffle since Commander Damn You Papa tossed Cockroach's son out of his own house. What in the name of Christ's cardoodles happened, eh?
Well, Bobby took exception to me winning the best hand, and then tried to have the rules changed. He was quite adamant about his cause, but he went on, and 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 on.
Pet.
What the? Whoa. Anywho, he just couldn't get over it. And Der Kommissar, peace be upon him, was having Nunavut, just like they do up north.
Nunavut. I get it. Good one, pet.
Anyway, I think that's what they were fighting about. I can't recall too much, what the alcoholic haze and all that shite.
So, as the proctologist said, what happened in the end? Was dear Commissar, peace be upon him, vivid?
Well, they made up, and the Commissar, peace be upon him, apologized, and we carried on as if we were normal. By the by, I must point out that Aardvark played a good game, but when you have a Lucky Schmidt and a luckier cockroach coming onto yes, there's not much yes can do, is they?
Well, pet, that was a wonderful report. Stay tuned, folks. After the break, we'll be exploring what bus drivers do when they have to urinate on an express route.
Oh, and, Marie Poutine.
Yes, pet?
Do you realize this is our 100th show we've done together?
Why, yes, pet, I do. And I treasure the time we've worked together. You are a true professional, and a zealot and a gentleman.
Thanks, Marie Poutine. There's something I've been meaning to tell you for some time.
OMG, pet. I've been waiting for this moment. What is it? Tell me, pet. Please. I'm sure I'll be ready for it.
Marie Poutine?
Yes, pet? What is it, eh? Tell me, pet. Please tell me.
Well, you see, I like Thoop.